Jolly belly, kedukan ke bapila ban yolut iki jingdon kam ki baman la kasni ki jongpi, badi ki marba mardi hagador ke baduna. Laru ban yo iki jhur ki jhep ki so ki pai, badi ki jaj do ba pher ya ki balawan ra na keleng ke rilom khasi. Kat ba pinang thiet iki jingdon kam ki jongpi, pilaru ban e shipor ki khunrit ki jongpi, haka jakai le kai ke balabu kerpang na ke benta jongki. One room shagadukan Jolly belly, but meet da ke jinkmen. Ya ki jingtep ki bakham nya la ban yo da ka bapon hau number nyo not san nriu pra san nyo but kndai pra nriu lai not lai nriu. The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee held a press conference during the evening of 25th November 2021 to clarify on doubts about the party's stand after 12 of its MLAs had left to associate themselves with the All India TRINAMOOL Congress Party. Those present during the briefing included the AICC in charge of Meghalaya, MANISH CHATRATH, the MPCC President VINCENT advisor to the MPCC Dr. CELESTINE LYNGDOH, MLAs MAYRAL SYIEM, AMPAREEN LYNGDOH and MOHENDRO RAPSANG, and MDCs of the party.
It is not a matter of Dr. Mukul only, it is a matter of all 12 MLAs. For us, all 12 MLAs for the MPs. So definitely now they have gone, so nothing more has to be done in this regard. Now what we need to do is, we need to strengthen our party, our organization in the seats where these MLAs have gone, which we'll start from now. I think you are referring to the meeting of the 18th November in Delhi, which took place along with the working president, PCC president, CLP leader and Charles Pingrojji. That meeting was very well attended, and after the meeting a press note was also issued, duly signed by PCC president and CLP leader. So I don't think anything went wrong in that meeting.
And if you look last time also, like what exactly I said, many have left the party. Everybody thought that that is the end of the Congress. But when we fought the elections, so we got the simple largest party, though we were not given a chance to form the government. I don't think so. Last time also, 9 of them left us, and 3 of the senior leaders refused to contest because of age, because of different reasons. So I don't think that that's the end of the party. We don't think it. Rather, to me, I think this is also an opportunity to evolve. This is also an opportunity to infuse young blood, new bloods in the party.
He has been blessed by the Congress. And if you bite the hand that feeds you, I am sure that time will tell. We are not in any hurry to accuse anyone of anything. Why did he not talk to the AICC when he was our leader? He was the chief minister. How come so late in his political career, suddenly the AICC becomes his enemy? So we will not fall for the gimmicks of one individual. He has managed to take away 12 MLAs from our party. Yes, it was a big job, why would we deny that? But we will meet again in the election field in 2020.
As far as my knowledge is concerned, that the people of the state, they want change. And the people of the state, they want to be with the Congress party. Leaders comes and goes, but party remains. That's why the principle of the Congress party, which has been there since inception in 1885, we are still fighting for the cause of the people. As an elected representative of the Indian National Congress, I felt that this is a better platform that we have to perform, and I hope that we will do well in 2023. And at the same time, I want to wish all the best for our fellow colleague, honorable MLAs, the former Chief Minister, Dr. Mukul Sama, and the other senior leader.